Hi guys, here's a quick review and usage demo for ELEGOO Filament Vacuum Storage Bag. Let's open the box to see what's included. Here we can see there's actually 15 bags, so total you got 30 bags. Here's a menu. It's actually written in 6 different languages, but very straightforward. Here's USB-C charging cable, and here's the auto pump. This is very cool. This auto pump is just compared with the US quarter size, very compact. It actually can generate 60,000 power. So it's a very strong suction. You can see I'm doing those tests, and when I put it up, it actually sucked red on my palm. And we have 2 bags. Each bag has 15 separate bags. So overall, you have 30 bags. This is more than enough for what I need. It's a double zipper. Here's auto valves for the pumps, very huge size. And here's the charging, the LED red lights flashing once fully charged, LED stable as a constant. I normally using those full plastic bag to store my filament for 3D printer, but now I'm gonna using this updated vacuum bag. First, I'm gonna use this hydrometer. I can put it inside those vacuum bag as add-on. Please make sure you are not gonna fit in beyond that point and put the filament in. Also put those silica in, and also put those meter in, and then just make it on a flat surface and align the pump to the valve and just sucked. Very quick, just like that. And now I can do it one more time. I'm using those plastic wrapper and just remove it and put this in the vacuum bag, put those hydrometer inserted in, also put a silica discant. And one of the tips is just using some towel to remove those oil and greasy stuff, and also fully zipped using double zipper, line on the flat surface, and carefully align those pump into the valves. And then push on. Very simple, very straightforward. You can also see the temperature and humid inside the bag. After that, just flat the bag. This is a very handy tool. You come with 30 bags, very good quality, very strong suction of those pump. Overall, very good quality. Happy with this purchase. I really like it. 5-star for me. Thank you.